It's no secret, 2022 was a rough year.
Our costs went up.
Prices are up 11%.
High inflation.
Just being more frugal.
There are Canadians out there really hurting.
The economy slowed, prices soared, and a relentless series of interest rate hikes squeezed an already indebted nation.
My kids don't have any extracurriculars because I can't afford it. Every single penny is going towards a mortgage.
Rabia Shumail is kicking herself. Back in the summer of 2020, she listened to Canada's central banker say this.
The message is interest rates are going to be low for an extended period.
So she and her husband bought a townhouse. She got a variable rate mortgage with an interest rate of 1.92%, costing about $1,700 a month. Before today's 50 basis point hike, that rate had climbed to 5.5%. Her monthly payment a walloping $2,700.
We said, okay, let's go for the variable one. Seems like a better choice. And I literally feel like I should punch myself for that decision. Like, why did I listen to all these people?
That story is playing out across the economy. And economists warn it generally takes up to 18 months for interest rate hikes to work their way into the economy.
I think we've only seen the tip of the iceberg in terms of the impacts on the economy from higher interest rates. So things are going to get worse before they get better.
This is going to be a rough winter. Higher borrowing costs, just as the economy slows and jobs are likely to be lost. But there is one glimmer of hope. The bank has sent a clear signal it may be ready to pause these rate hikes early next year.
If they're not exactly at the finish line just yet, they're very close to that finish line.
And so, Peter, I don't think there's an easy way to say this, but looking ahead to next year, it seems like there are a bunch of ways this could get worse.
There are, and there's kind of two key tracks that we're worried about. One is, you take Rabia's story, the variable rate mortgage holder who's feeling pinched in all of this. Her story is about to cascade out into the Canadian economy as more fixed rate mortgage holders have to renew at way higher prices. You'll have more Canadian families, more households, even more indebted than they are now. And all of that's going to be happening just as private sector forecasters are calling for a recession to crash into the Canadian economy. They say it's going to be short, they say it's going to be mild, but as you well know, it does not take much to nudge that into something deeper and longer and way more painful.
Okay, I don't think I want you to come back, but thank you for being here.